Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another DIY project. This is an Amazon pickup. It is a set of 2 beautiful sconces. And this is what they look like. And these are battery operated, girl. And they come with everything we need to get started and to, you know, set these up and move along with our lives. These are battery operated, so that means no hard wiring required. So we should have these up in a matter of minutes. I think the hardest part about this project will be just deciding where we want them and how we want them positioned. But this is going to be super duper easy and quick. And once again, it comes with everything. Okay, it comes with, okay, the lights themselves, the bulbs, okay, a set of 2 remotes. Now the thing about this, what drawn me to these the most is that they have quite a few functions. So you can dim them. There's a 4-mode dimmable bulb that comes with it. You can time them. They're touch operated. And again, you get the remotes. Let's go ahead and see what they look like. Okay, so this box contains the lamp shades as well as the rechargeable bulbs. Now you've seen me use rechargeable bulbs here on my channel before when I installed my pendant lights in my kitchen. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked down below. But these are really popular style rechargeable lights. I've seen these used quite a bit. And you can use these outside of the light fixtures as well. So you know what? It looks like I need to go ahead and charge these. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on the charger so everything will work seamlessly once we have them. Oh wait, there it is. You just have to hold the power button. Okay, so they do have some charge. Well, that is a plus. Like I said, it does have multiple light settings. But yeah, this is more my speed. I don't delve into the colored lighting. That's not my thing. But okay, these are gonna be nice. I think these are going upstairs in my guest bedroom because I don't have lamps there, just the overhead light. And I feel like this will be great as bedside lighting. And they'll have the remotes. My guests will have the remote on their bedside tables. Kind of like hotel, you know? So, yeah. Let's go upstairs and figure out how we want to get these set up. But these are cute. Once again, all the links will be down below in that description box. So make sure you visit it. Everything will be right there. Okay, here are the remotes. The 2 remotes. And the gold wall mounted base. Okay, super easy install. Yeah. Very nice, right? Very, very nice. Trying to give you a peek. But you're gonna see it once we get upstairs. But yeah, so nice, very nice, very nice. That's cute, right? So yeah, let's just take all of this up. I'm gonna carry it all up in the box. Pack it all the way up. It does come with instructions, but if you're not used to installing things, follow the instructions. But this is, to me, looking at it, is pretty self-explanatory. And it does come with the C cables for charging the light bulb. So it comes with literally everything you need to get started. Everything is here. All right, we are ready to relocate. That is trash, trash, trash. And here's a little tool for tightening the bolts. And that bolt is right here on the... Okay, so here are all the base pieces for the sconce. Okay, so this is the piece that we're going to drill into the wall. So this is your up front, up close demonstration on how you're going to attach these to the wall right now, okay? This plate goes on the wall. This is where you put the screws on the wall. This is going to hang on this little piece right here. It hangs. Picture this hanging, just like that. So we're just going to set that down. Come over here and grab this piece. Of course, this goes in just like this. We're going to put these two little pieces back on the way we found it. And we're going to screw it on tight because this is going to keep the neck of the light upright. This is why I hate having long nails when I'm in project mode. All right, there we go. So you're going to screw this down as tight as you possibly can. Just like that. Okay. We're going to make sure that that stays up. Okay, so that I got that on there pretty good. But in case you can't, this is where this tool comes in at. This is where this comes in. This is going to help you tighten it up. But hell, I got it on there pretty good. It's not moving. So once you attach it to the wall, this will not be leaning or pointing to the floor when you come in. Your light bulb will not be on your floor. Okay, so once we have this, picture it. This is already attached to the wall and assembled. Okay, just like this. This hangs on this, and because it has these pre-drilled holes here, you're gonna make sure the holes are lined up when we stick it on here, because this is where we're gonna take these 3 screws and screw them in, and then we're basically done. Like, this is it. So you have your wall screws and then your gold screws for the base bracket, and that is it. That is all we do. Okay, so now we're gonna go and apply what we just learned to the actual wall. I'm gonna put this to where it doesn't scratch it up. Let's go upstairs. And to give this area more on either side of the window to be kind of bedside lights. Ignore the curtains. They're going to be changed soon, okay? Those were makeshift in the moment curtains. All right, we're going to kind of figure out where we want these, and then from there we'll measure so that we can put the other one in the exact same place, so they'll be placed, you know, the same. But that to me looks good. So this is where we're going to drill in the screws. Now I do have a handy dandy screwdriver that I just love. I'm going to have it linked down below. I love it. I use it for everything. When I don't want to pull out the drill, it is the best, and it's super affordable. It'll be down below, but I'm going to grab it because this is what we want right here. And it would be a good idea to use a leveler to make sure that you have this as level as possible. So once we have both screws dialed in, this just sits on top just like that. This is just me making sure it's level, but I don't have the other screw in yet. You know how I do. All right, now we're ready for the actual light. And this is where you just line it up with the holes like so. Just like that. Uh-oh. And this is where we screw it in. Perfect, perfect. And you're gonna do this 3 times. So simple, so easy, girl. You can do it. I promise you. And there we go. And feel free to just adjust it however you need it. Okay, that looks great. It looks good. Let's go ahead and put in the bulb. We're ready for the bulb. All right, so now we just put in the bulb. How are we feeling about our installation? Okay, this is good. And as you see, I don't even have all of it screwed in, and it is up really, really good. Once I know this is what we wanted, we're going to take this back down and put the other screw in. But I think, yeah, I feel like this is a good position. What do you think? Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna have to really get into this. I'm gonna have to lay down in the bed to get a good feel. I'm gonna cut the big light off and see if it needs to be lowered some. I don't know, because think about it. If we're laying in the bed, we need a little light. Is this enough light? Is it up too high? Will it illuminate the area? But that's to be determined when we cut the light off, because I really want this not only to be cute, but I want it to function. But right now it is definitely cute. I'm going to cut the light off, the big light off, and then we're going to use the remote to cut it on and off. Y'all, it looks so good. We're going to go ahead and fully install the second one because I like that one so much. We're going to go ahead and keep them in here, and we'll just order another set. We definitely have to have more. These are so easy. And girl, it comes with everything we need. Get that in there good and tight. Like, because the design of this is round, you really won't see that much of an imbalance if you do kind of have it kind of screwed onto the wall crooked. And I'm not saying that that's the case with mine. I'm just saying that if that were to happen, just don't be too afraid. All right, yeah, they do look about even. Yeah. All right, now that I have them both installed, the light is off. We're gonna cut them on. All right, I like them. What do you think? Yay? Nay? I think they are great. Super easy to install. This was just awesome. Uh-oh. Yeah. Look good to me. Let me know what you think. All the links and information will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. Definitely a must have. And as you see, if you do see a little, imperfections, you can adjust them. But yeah, I do love these. So nice. Super easy. No electrician needed at all. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check them out. Bye.